Okay, so sa unang video natin ngayong week na ito, ginamit natin yung Pascal's triangle para makuha natin yung coefficients ng binomial natin para sa kanyang expanded form. Paano naman ngayon kung wala tayong Pascal's triangle? Okay? At meron tayong sige, mamaya na yung may coefficient. Okay? So halimbawa, x plus y raised to the 10th power. Ayan, wala tayo ngayong Pascal's triangle na gagamitin. Tingnan natin kung masolve natin ito without multiplying yung mga result nito, expanding yung mga result nito by expanding this by not multiplying. Okay, so gagamitin natin yung shortcut without our Pascal's triangle. Okay, so paano gagawin natin? Una, ililist na or isusulat natin yung terms, number of terms. Okay? So, ilan number of terms tayo? Meron tayo 10, di ba? So, this is term number 1, and then 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pala kasi mag-plus 1 tayo. Diba? Do not forget that. So, we have 11 terms. And then, ang susunod natin gagawin ay yung ating first term. Ayan. Kung paano natin isusulat ngayon ang first term natin in an expanded form. So, tulad ng sabi ko, decreasing siya yung ating first term. So, that is x to the 10. And then, we have x to the 9. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and x to the 0 power. Okay, and then isusunod natin yung ating second term, which is y. So, increasing naman siya ngayon. So, that is y to the 0 power. You always start with 0 and end with 0. Okay? And then we have y first, y to the second, y to the third, y to the fourth, y to the fifth, y to the sixth, y to the seventh, y to the eighth, y to the ninth, and y to the 10th power. Ayan. So, we are done with our exponential terms. Okay. How about their coefficients? O, paano natin gagawin ang coefficients? Okay, automatic na yung first na term ay meron siyang 1 na coefficient. Okay? And then yung susunod na term, ganito ang gagawin natin. Kukunin natin yung exponent ng previous term, exponent ng previous term. So, ang previous term natin ay, so ito na ito ha, coefficient na ng second term natin. Exponent ng previous term natin ay 10. And then, i-multiply natin doon sa kanyang coefficient. Ang coefficient natin ay 1. And then, i-multiply natin doon sa kung anong term siya. So, that is 1. Okay, so I hope nasundan nyo yan. Ulitin natin yung coefficient ng first term lang natin. First term lang ha. Yung coefficient ng first term doon sa previous term. Ayan. So, that is 10. And then, yung kanyang coefficient. And then, divided by its term. Number of term. Or order. Order of term. Okay? So, that is equal to 10 times 1 divided by 1. Cancel mo yung 1. That is equal to 10. Okay na? And then, lagyan natin ito para, bakit ko nilagyan? Sorry guys, hindi pala pwede. Dito na lang. Ayan. So, dito, ganun din ang gagawin natin. Yung exponent ng previous term, ang previous term natin ay 9. So, that is 9 times yung kanyang coefficient, that is 10, divided by yung kanyang term ay 2. Okay, and then we are going to cancel that. This will become 5. So, 5 times 9 is 45. That is plus na lang para hindi tayo malito. Okay? So, I hope that is clear. And then, dito naman, ano yung exponent ng previous term? That is 8 multiplied by its coefficient, which is 45, divided by the order of term, which is 3, Okay? And then cancel natin ito by 3 is 15. Ayan. So 8 times 15 is 120. Ayan. 120. Okay, and then dito naman yung kanyang exponent ay 7 times yung kanyang coefficient ay 120 divided by the number of or order of term nung previous term ay 4. So cancel natin ito. So 30. So this is 210. Okay? And then next we have ang exponent ng previous x natin ay 6 times ang kanyang coefficient ay 210 and then divided by yung kanyang term which is 5. So cancel natin ito, 210, 42. Okay, so 42 times 6 is 200. Ayan, hindi na kasya, 252 yung kanyang coefficient. Hindi exponent yan ha, hindi lang nagkasya. Ayan, and then we have for this term, kung mapapansin natin, ang middle term natin this time ay ito. Diba sabi ko kanina, kapag magkapareho na yung kanyang exponent, doon na magsisimulang babalik. Itong susunod na term ay babalik na doon sa coefficient na doon, pababa naman siya. So, the coefficient of this will be 210, the coefficient of this will be 120, the coefficient of this will be 45, and then we have 10, and then we have 1. Okay, I hope that is clear. So, kung isusulat na natin yung final answer natin, 1 times x to the 10 times this will become 1 ay x to the 10th power plus 10x to the 9th y plus 45x to the 8th y squared plus 120x to the 7th y to the 3rd plus 210x to the 6th y to the 4th plus 252x to the 5th y to the 5th. So pareho na siya. So babalik na ulit ng 210 and this time we have x to the 4th y to the 6th plus 120 x to the 3rd power, y to the 7th power. Naku, hindi na naman siya nagkasya. Plus 45x to the 2nd power, y to the 8th, plus 10x to the 9th, y to the 1st power, plus y to the 9th pala, x to the 1st power, sorry, then y to the 10th power. Okay, so I hope maliwanag yun. Ayan siya. Pasensya na kayo guys kasi hindi ko masyadong alam i-operate ang ating cellphone ngayon kasi nagpalit kami ng aking hubby ng cellphone. Okay, so I hope that is clear. Now, how about if we have a coefficient? Dati na halimbawa, we are going to expand 2x plus y raised to the 8th power. Ayan, so may coefficient na yung x. Dito kasi wala siyang coefficient. Dito naman may coefficient. Diba? Okay, so this problem will be answered in my next video.